in some of these passing situations with his receiving ability out of the backfield.
Sanders underneath, complete, in space, nice move, Hunter, Travis Hunter, touchdown, T12.
You see defensive coordinator Bobby. Just watch Travis Hunter here. Defensive coordinator Bobby April at Stanford sent 5 and tried to play some zone underneath it. And if you don't put a body on Travis Hunter, once he gets in the open, they just have not had an answer. You see right here, he hit the B button, I think it is in Madden. And he's in for 6.